Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. European vehicles are well known for their luxury, strong performance, and excellent engineering. They often represent the best in automotive design. However, owning one can also mean facing specific repair challenges. These cars have complex systems and often need specialized parts, which can lead to higher repair costs. Understanding common issues is important for any European car owner. Knowing what to expect can help you prepare for maintenance and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Later in this video, we'll look at specific common repairs for these unique vehicles. BMW. Valvetronic system and electrical quirks. BMWs are known for their sophisticated engineering and dynamic driving experience. Yet, this complexity sometimes leads to unique repair challenges, particularly with their advanced engine management and electrical systems. Understanding these areas can help you prepare for maintenance and keep your BMW performing as it should. Valvetronic system malfunctions. The valvetronic system is a staple in many BMW engines. It controls valve lift, allowing the engine to breathe more efficiently without relying on a traditional throttle body. This innovative design boosts fuel economy and power. However, it can also be a source of common issues, which often become apparent through specific symptoms. You might notice problems such as rough idle. The engine struggles to maintain a consistent speed when stopped. Reduced power. The car feels sluggish or lacks its usual acceleration. Check engine light. This often illuminates when a sensor or motor related to valvetronic is not working correctly. Common culprits for these issues include the eccentric shaft sensor and the valvetronic motor itself. The eccentric shaft sensor measures the position of the eccentric shaft, which directly controls valve lift. When this sensor fails, it sends incorrect data, confusing the engine's computer. Similarly, the valvetronic motor, responsible for adjusting the eccentric shaft, can wear out over time. Both failures lead to the engine struggling to perform at its best. Electrical system reliability. BM's electrical systems are highly integrated, meaning many components communicate closely. While this integration allows for advanced features and seamless operation, it also means a problem in one area can affect others. Owners frequently encounter battery drain issues. The car's electronics continue to draw power even when turned off, leading to a dead battery. iDrive system glitches. The central infotainment system might freeze, restart, or become unresponsive. Window regulator failures. The mechanisms that raise and lower windows can break, leaving windows stuck. Sensor malfunctions. Sensors for systems like ABS or camshaft position can fail. This leads to warning lights or performance issues. These problems often stem from the sheer number of electronic control units and miles of wiring in modern BMWs. Even small issues, like a single failing sensor, can cause a cascade of warning lights due to how interconnected everything is. Cooling system vulnerabilities. BMW engines typically run at higher temperatures for efficiency, which puts extra stress on cooling system components. Many of these parts are made from plastic to save weight and reduce manufacturing costs. While effective initially, plastic becomes brittle and prone to cracking after years of heat exposure and cooling cycles. This material choice often leads to frequent failures of parts such as water pumps. These circulate coolant. When they fail, the engine can quickly overheat. Expansion tanks. These hold excess coolant and are prone to cracking, causing leaks. Thermostats. These regulate engine temperature. A faulty thermostat can lead to the engine running too hot or too cold. When these plastic components crack or deform, they leak coolant. This reduces the system's ability to dissipate heat, increasing the risk of engine overheating. Addressing these plastic cooling parts proactively can help prevent more costly damage down the road. Mercedes-Benz, air suspension and transmission concerns. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are celebrated for their luxurious ride and advanced technology. Yet, just like any complex machine, they can develop specific issues over time. Owners often find themselves addressing problems related to the sophisticated airmatic suspension system and the intricate 7G tronic transmission. Understanding these common repair areas can help you maintain your Mercedes-Benz effectively. Airmatic suspension system failures. The airmatic suspension system in Mercedes-Benz vehicles provides exceptional ride comfort and control. It automatically adjusts to road conditions and driving styles, offering a smooth experience. This system relies on air springs, an air compressor, and a valve block to maintain proper vehicle height and dampening. When working correctly, you will barely feel bumps. However, these components can fail, leading to noticeable problems. You might observe your vehicle sagging suspension. One or more corners of the car might sit lower than the others. Harsh ride. The car feels overly stiff or bouncy, losing its signature smooth feel. Loud compressor operation. The air compressor struggles to inflate the system. Common failures include leaky air springs, a worn-out compressor, or a faulty valve block. Air springs can develop cracks or tears, allowing air to escape. The compressor, which pumps air into the springs, can burn out from overuse when trying to compensate for leaks. The valve block directs airflow to each spring. If it fails, it can cause uneven ride height. Repairs for the airmatic system can be quite costly, often ranging from a few $100s for a compressor to thousands for multiple air springs or a valve block replacement. 7G Tronic transmission problems. Mercedes-Benz's 7G Tronic transmission is a marvel of engineering, providing smooth and efficient power delivery with 7 forward gears. Its design aims for optimal performance and fuel economy. However, certain internal components are known to cause trouble over time. Owners often report issues like jerky shifts. The transmission might lurch or hesitate when changing gears. Delayed engagement. There is a noticeable pause after selecting drive or reverse before the car moves. Limp mode activation. The transmission restricts itself to a single gear to prevent further damage. These symptoms frequently point to problems with the conductor plate, valve body, or torque converter. The conductor plate, which integrates sensors and solenoids, can crack or corrode, disrupting electronic signals. The valve body, responsible for directing hydraulic fluid, can develop wear, causing pressure issues. Finally, the torque converter can fail, leading to shuddering or slipping. Diagnosing these transmission issues can be complex due to the interconnected nature of the components. Often, specialized diagnostic tools and expert knowledge are needed to pinpoint the exact fault. Rust and corrosion prevention. While modern Mercedes-Benz vehicles have improved rust protection, older models, especially those from the 1990s and early 2000s, can be prone to rust and corrosion. This is particularly true in regions with harsh winters or humid climates. Rust can affect both the appearance and structural integrity of the vehicle. Specific areas where rust tends to develop include wheel arches. Road salt and debris thrown up by tires can chip paint and expose metal. Door bottoms and sills. Moisture can collect in these areas, especially if drain holes become clogged. Subframes and suspension mounting points. These critical structural components can corrode, affecting vehicle safety and handling. Regular inspection is crucial for catching rust early. Pay close attention to paint bubbles or discolored areas. Cleaning these areas frequently, especially after driving on salted roads, helps remove corrosive elements. Applying rust preventative coatings or treatments can also add a layer of protection, particularly to the undercarriage and exposed metal parts. Addressing rust spots promptly with proper repair and treatment prevents them from spreading and causing more significant damage. That wraps up Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll cover repair costs, parts availability, and tips to avoid common problems. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.